Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your digital footprint with Wix, full guide step by step clearly. To improve your digital footprint using Wix, start by creating an account on the Wix website. Visit the Wix homepage and click on the Get Started button. Fill in your details to create your account or sign in if you already have one. Once logged in, explore the various templates available that suit your brand or personal style. Choose a template that reflects your vision, keeping in mind your target audience. After selecting a template, click on Edit Site to access the Wix editor. Utilize the drag and drop features to arrange elements like text, images, and videos. Make sure to include relevant content that represents your skills and interests. Incorporate an About Me section to give visitors insight into who you are. Optimize your content with keywords related to your industry to enhance searchability. Add a blog section to share your thoughts, insights, or expertise in your field. Regularly updating your blog will keep your website fresh and engaging. Include clear calls to action, prompting visitors to connect or engage with you. Ensure that your site is mobile-friendly by previewing it on different devices. Check the loading speed of your website as it impacts user experience and search rankings. Integrate social media links to expand your reach and connect with your audience. Utilize Wix SEO tools to improve your site's search engine visibility. Fill out all meta descriptions, titles, and alt text for images to boost SEO performance. Connect your domain name for a more professional appearance. Consider using Wix's built-in marketing tools for email campaigns to reach your audience. Monitor your website's performance using Wix's analytics to understand visitor behavior. Make adjustments based on analytics to continuously improve user engagement. Encourage feedback from users to identify areas for further enhancement. By consistently updating and refining your site, you will effectively improve your digital footprint. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.